Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD Australian dollar US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUD USD Australian dollar US dollar, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite 4 hours time frame. So let's do the analysis first. Okay, so if I zoom out the chart, then you can easily see that overall there is no trend in the market. Okay, because see, overall we can see that market is going up down, and this kind of markets are generally called as sideways market. Okay, so right now we are seeing a sideways chart in front of us, and as we all know, okay, in a sideways market we get trading opportunities on both the side, which means we can short the market at a resistance, and we can go for buying order, or we can go long at the support. Okay, so we are in a sideways market. Okay, but if I zoom in, okay, and if I zoom in and ask you to just focus on this particular portion, okay, then what do you see? Right now we can see that yes, overall the trend of the market is sideways. There is no proper trend in the market, but right now we can see that market is in a downward range or a downward channel. Market is following a downward channel. Okay, if you have got a trading platform in front of you right now, then you can also draw these lines. Okay, draw these lines on the 4 hours chart. Then you can easily see that yes, we have a trend line as a resistance. Okay, here we have a trend line as a resistance, and on the downside we also have a trend line as the support, and we are having a channel. Okay, we are having a channel, and right now we can see that AUD USD is trading in between this channel. Okay, therefore the best trading opportunity, or the area of value, okay, the area of value or the best trading opportunity in this market is at the resistance as well as the support, because the overall the market is in a sideways range. Therefore we get opportunities on both the sides. Therefore the first trading opportunity is wait for the market to open on Monday and just see where the price goes. If you find the price going upward, okay, and hit this particular level, okay, see, this is a dynamic support, so there is no proper value or exact value. You need to draw this line on your trading platform or your chart, then only you will understand. Okay, so if after the market opening on Monday, if you see that market is going up, and once it hits or reaches the resistance level or the red line above, then just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that price is struggling, price is unable to go up like this, see, just see how the price reacted. Okay, so if you see price is struggling near the resistance and the price is about to reverse, then you can short the market at the resistance. You can short the market at the resistance. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if market crosses this level, if market crosses the red line or the trend line, okay, then you should not go for buying order right away, because see, this is a downward channel, so things are very risky if you go for buy order. So in case market goes up and crosses this red line or trend line, okay, then wait for 4 to 8 hours and just observe the price. If you see some good buying pressure with good volume, then you can think of buying order. Otherwise, if you do not see any of this, then just avoid AUD USD. And if you cannot afford to take any risk, then just forget just what I said just now. Okay, just look for AUD USD to short the market at the resistance only. Okay, on the other hand, if market comes down after the market opening on Monday, if market comes down, then wait for the market to come and take support at this trend line. Okay, on your chart, on your trading platform, draw a line like this, because I cannot give you the exact figure, because this is a dynamic support. Okay, so in case market reverses from this particular trend line, then also you can go for buying order, and this is your second trading opportunity. And just remember, confirmation is important. Confirmation will be in the form of a hammer. Confirmation will be in the form of price rejection from below or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is following this trend line, market is respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can go for a buy order. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities. And you can also see a black line here. Okay, you can also see a black line here, and the black line is, let me give you the price. So this black line is also important. This black line is the resistance from the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, and why this level is important, or I would say that this level is extremely important. Okay, very crucial. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see that right now market is trading here, and we can see that on the weekly chart we have a resistance here, and market is trying to cross this resistance since the first week of January. So right now we are standing at in June, and market is unable to cross this level since January. For more than 5 months market is struggling. For more than 5 months AUD USD is struggling to cross this level. Therefore we have one extremely important resistance on the weekly chart. Therefore if market crosses this range, this downward channel, and goes up, you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at this level if market reverses. Okay, if market reverses from this particular level, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities and possibilities on AUD USD. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.